It's the return of the Daily Driver Digest. We got a little bit of cleanup to do on this thing. Just picked it up and got a little tear action here in the seat. It's not been detailed, so it is a bit dirty inside. Don't know what happened over there. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up, get it detailed. There's a little bit of clear coat damage just on this area, which it looks like a drink or something maybe. So, yeah. Let's see what's back here. Oh, wow. Huh. All kinds of goodies back here. That might be handy. Oh, nope. That's empty. Yep, nothing in there. So much for roadside assistance, huh? Alright, so yeah, we'll get this cleaned out in case you guys were wondering. A little driving excitement action for you. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We'll do a detail video, maybe some paint correction, and also some paintless dent repair to take care of this. That's the story on the Daily Driver Digest. Got the Grand Prix replacing the Corolla. Comment below, let me know what you think we should do next. Should we do the PDR, clean up the interior because it's really nasty, or maybe focus on polishing the headlights? So drop a comment below, let me know what you think. We'll see you guys later.